Are you looking for the best paid service sites in South Africa? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 10 paid service sites in South Africa that you can join completely for free and start earning by sharing your opinion. Before getting to the top 10 list, I just want to make it completely clear what you can expect from paid service in South Africa. You can actually find quite a lot of opportunities here, and there are some great sites you can join to earn a bit extra and have your opinion heard at the same time. You just need to be aware taking paid service is not a way to make a full-time income or becoming rich. You can earn a bit of money on the side and have your opinion heard at the same time. And many of the sites also offers other small tasks you can do online. These sites are called get paid to sites, and if you make sure to use some of these tasks, you can earn extra. But you just need to do it with the right expectations, and if you do this, it has great opportunities in South Africa. So let's now get to the top 10 list. Number 10 on the list is TGM Panel. It is a fairly unknown survey panel, but it has a specific panel just for South Africa. It is very easy to use. You just sign up and then you will get emails when there are available surveys, and it has a decent number of available surveys. You can get your earnings out once you have earned $10, and you can get them out in cash through PayPal. So definitely a service site worth checking out if you live in South Africa. Next on the list we have Green Panther, and Green Panther offers quite a lot of paid service in South Africa. You just need to be aware that you will get a lot of emails, and often you do not qualify for the service, so it takes a little bit of patience. But if you have that patience, it offers a good number of paid surveys, and you can also find some paid offers you can earn a bit extra by taking once you are on the inside. The payout threshold is a little bit high, as you need to earn $30 before you can take your earnings out, but you do get a $5 joining bonus, which is of course a great start. And you can get your earnings out through PayPal, so you will get them in cash. Next we have Timebox, and Timebox is on this list because you can always find a way to earn here in South Africa. In addition to taking paid service, you can also do all kind of other small tasks. You can play games, you can install apps, you can complete captures, you can post on TikTok, you can watch online content, and a lot more. So you can always find a way to earn here. Some of the earning methods does not give very high rewards, so you just have to choose carefully. You can get your earnings out once you have earned $10, and you can get them out through TransferWise, NetTeller, Bitcoin, and a few other options. And it has a great referral program, so if you invite other people, you can also earn some nice extra money like that. LifePoints Panel is another service site that has a specific survey panel just for South Africa. It is very easy to use. You just sign up, then you get access to paid service, and they will send you an email invitation when there is a new available survey. You can get your earnings out once you have earned $10, and you can get them out through PayPal, or you can choose between several different gift cards. GrabPoints is a great get paid to site, and it has several different ways you can earn in South Africa. You can of course take paid service, but you can also watch videos, you can download apps, you can take offers and more. It has quite high rewards for the surveys compared to many other service sites in South Africa. For that reason it definitely can be worth checking out. And you can get your earnings out already when you have earned $3 if you choose to get paid through PayPal. You can also choose to get paid through Skrill, or choose between a lot of different gift cards if you prefer this. YSense used to be called ClickSense, if you have heard of that before, and it is a get paid to site with quite a lot of paid service and other offers in South Africa. It can take some patience at first to figure out what type of service you mostly qualify for, so just be prepared for that. But other than that, you can do a lot of other things here, and it has a great daily bonus if you have a certain activity in any given day. And it is a great place to take these figure 8 micro tasks, which is kind of data entry tasks, because it gives some great bonuses for that. You can get your earnings out when you have earned $10 if you choose to get paid in cash through PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer, or if you choose gift cards instead, some of them you can get out already when you have earned $5. Next we have Survey Time, which is a little bit unusual compared to many other service sites, and the reason for this is that you get $1 for every survey you complete, no matter how long it is. So sometimes it gives really good value for your time, other times not so great value for your time. And in addition to this, as soon as you complete a survey, you get your money into your PayPal account instantly. So it is one of the fastest paying service sites in South Africa. On the third place, we have Univox, which is a great and easy to use service site, and it also has an app so you can easily earn on the go. You can also earn by participating in free contests, and it also has a few other ways you can earn a bit extra once in a while. But it is very easy to use. It has a decent number of available surveys, and it has membership levels, so the more active you are, the more benefits you get. When you first join, you have to earn $25 to get your earnings out through PayPal, prepaid MasterCard, or prepaid Visa cards. Sometimes it also offers other gift cards. But when you have been a member for some time and have achieved a higher membership level, you will be able to take your earnings out already when you have earned $10. And just by joining, you actually get a $2 joining bonus, which of course gives a great and easy start. On the second place, we have Toluna, which has a specific service site just for South Africa, and it has a decent number of available service here. It is very easy to use, and it also has an app so you can take service on the go, and you can also create a bit of content that other members can interact with, and if the content is good enough, you can earn some extra points by doing this. You can get your earnings out once you've earned $10, and you can get paid in cash via PayPal or choose between many different gift cards if you prefer that type of reward. At the very top, we have PriceRipple, and it is one of my overall favorite get paid to sites because it has so many different ways to earn, and it is very easy to use. You can earn by taking service, doing micro tasks, you can download apps, you can play games, you can take offers. There's all kinds of ways you can, and it has some great free contests and free promo codes you can get as well. It has a very low payout threshold, as you can get your earnings out through PayPal already when you have earned $5, and it has a lot of gift cards you can choose from as well. So definitely a get paid to site worth checking out if you live in South Africa. As you can see, there are some really great survey and get paid to sites if you live in South Africa. And there are actually more great sites than just the 10 I've showed you in this video. On my website, paidfromservice.com, I have a full list, and I keep this updated with new sites as I test new sites all the time. So make sure to check that out if you want to know more and see how to join these sites. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.